Today I want to talk about how to be a mobile student in the United States. First, I'm going to teach you how to get a driver license. You can open a Google and type dps.texas.gov, and you can see the driver license part. When you see the driver license service, choose Apply for a driver license, and it displays what kind of document you have to prepare when you go to the DPS to take a driver license test. I know most of the international students, they don't have the social security number. As I know, you don't need to have the SSN when you are an international student, but you have to bring your I-20 to there. And you can make the appointment in this website and go take a driver license test. After you get your driver license, I bet you can't wait to get your dream card. I'm going to show you how to search the vehicle that you want online. Open Google again, and then type cargurus.com. You can see you can search used car, new car, certified pre-owned right here. For example, if right now I'm looking for the used 2017 Honda Civic, I click used car and choose Honda, and the body style I choose Civic. If you would like to buy the Civic Coupe, you can get this one. And this is the zip code 78209. You can choose any zip code you want. Right here, you can choose all of the years you want the Honda Civic. And I'm looking for the 2017, so I click 2017 and I choose within 10 miles. You can choose 25 miles, 50 miles, 75 miles, 100 miles, even nationwide. And it will display all of the 2017 Honda Civics, which is available within 10 miles from 78209. And you can see all of the picture, the detail in this website for the vehicle that you want. And also you can see the vehicle history. Just like the Carfax report, it will show you the title check, the accident check, and how many owners. For this vehicle, it's the clean title, no accident, no damage report, and 1 owner. And the miles for this car is 30,000 miles. And you can see the dealership information, who is selling this car. This is their website, the phone number, and the address. If you are interested in this one, feel free to call or text them to ask for the Carfax report, and you can make the appointment to go over there to test drive. And if the price, and you can talk about with them about the price. If you like it, go make a deal, and you can get your dream car.